Let's start with our spices. I'm using chili powder, paprika, salt, crushed peppercorns, chives, dried onions, garlic salt, and cumin. Seriously had to scrape the jar for that cumin. Clearly we're getting low. We're using chicken thighs. You can use any cut of chicken that you want. We're just gonna rub the seasoning on both sides of the chicken. My daughter is helping me here in the kitchen. Then we're gonna stick them on a rack in the Instapot. Fill it only with just a little bit of water, just covering the bottom of the pot. Put it on for 7 minutes. When it's done, we pop it in the air fryer. We covered the bottom of the air fryer with some ghee. They seriously smell delicious. We press the air fry setting, but we only put it on for about 12 minutes, and then they're done.